First at 10, with an increased number of vaping-related illnesses in the country, members within the Great Falls community are speaking up about their vaping concerns. MTN's Lindsay Hyatt reports on their reactions.
People have long considered vaping a healthier alternative to tobacco use. But when vaping-related health issues started breaking out, that idea blew away in a cloud of smoke. Pauline Conway says e-cigarettes and other tobacco products actually impact health in much the same way.
They're pretty much the same on the lines of what we think of them in relationship to health and their ability to harm both equally in the same manner.
But healthcare professionals don't have enough information as to why vaping is harmful to the body.
We don't know what's in them. Is it a single agent that's causing the problem, or is it a combination of multiple that are located or contained in the vaping products?
Until they know more, Conway says abstaining from vaping is the safest way to avoid harm. Former vapor Zebediah Booz came to the same realization after vaping for several months.
For about 4 or 5 months, I was pretty hooked on juuling for any time I had downtime in between classes.
But when the first report of a vaping-related illness was released, Booz decided to call it quits.
That was when I stopped, because I didn't want to be another statistic.
The biology major saw the damage he'd done through the pages of his textbooks.
Me in physiology last year as part of my core curriculum, and studying the lungs and looking at what the lungs actually look like was a harsh realization.
He's also on the track and field team, where his lungs are essential to his performance.
I need my lungs almost more than anything. It's my aerobic base, that's how I compete, that's how I train.
He can finally breathe easy and encourages others to take care of their lungs.
It's something that you're ruining your lungs long term, and that's an effect that's probably not going to be altered by anything you can do. And the sooner the better in terms of quitting.
MTN News. In Great Falls, Lindsay Hyatt, MTN News.
And a confirmed case of pulmonary illness linked to vaping is in Montana. The Department of Public Health and Human Services confirmed the case is a Yellowstone County resident in their 30s with a history of vaping nicotine and THC. Nationwide, there have been 8 deaths from pulmonary illnesses and more than 500 confirmed or probable cases of lung disease associated with e-cigarette products. DPHHS and the Centers for Disease Control are advising people not to use any type of e-cigarette product.